Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to my bathroom here. I just filmed for Kosas. By the way, dream brand to work with. They are one of my favorite brands that I have ever tried. I just love their products so much. I literally use their concealer like holy grail is what I feel. And I love their eyebrow pencils. The Kosas eyebrow pencil, this is the original brow pop, used to be my go-to. And they recently actually sent me their nano one, which is absolutely amazing. I think I actually prefer it over this one because this one allows you the ability to have like a softer brow. So amazing. Also, they sent me their new eyeshadow palette. This is the Kosas Undressed Palette, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I just did this eye look. Glowy but minimal. I'm obsessed. The shadows on there are literally butter smooth. They are so soft and they blend out super easily. They did not like get everywhere on my face. They do not have fallout. I'm obsessed with them. And then they have one shade right here called Strip, which is like a glitter one. And it is just amazing on the eyes. It's amazing. Super happy, and I feel super grateful and thankful to the Kosas team for sending me those products. I just feel like I am literally living my dreams. Yeah, super amazing. I could not be more happy. Like that made me so incredibly happy. So incredibly happy. Who knew? Like I love these shades, okay? I'll show you the two palettes that I literally use non-stop. Number one, Ella Loose palette. Look at the shades. Number two, Too Faced palette. Look at the shades. Like, come on. All in the same like shade family, but what I like about these is they actually blend out so much easier than those other ones. I feel like sometimes those, I don't know if it's because the Too Faced one is a little bit of an older palette, and the Ella Loose one, they just kind of are harder to blend when it comes to the darker colors. But I played with this today, and it's so, all of them just blend out amazingly. Even the glitter, it just blended out so easily. So I'm feeling super grateful, super happy, and yeah, just wanted to come on here and share my wins with you guys because that's definitely a win. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog station. Today we have a couple of errands to run. We actually have to go to a doctor's appointment for Mr. Brandon. So we're going there first. He's got to get an x-ray done because he might have hurt his, well, he definitely hurt his wrist, but we don't know if it's broken. So yes, we're going there. We're gonna be at the VA and doing all that stuff, which our VA is really nice because it's all brand new, so it's pretty cool. And then yeah, we're gonna run some errands and such. I'm wearing boots because I'm feeling the fall transition style. So if you guys want some inspiration, make sure to follow me because I'm posting daily fall transition outfits on my YouTube shorts and also my Instagram and my TikTok. So yeah, that was my little, go follow me over there if you want. Also, before I forget, make sure to follow me on my LTK because every single outfit that I'm posting either the exact item or items that are very similar, and if they're a little more higher prices, I'm giving you budget options too. So make sure to follow my LTK because I'm doing all that work. It literally takes me like 30 minutes to an hour to like finish every single outfit that I'm doing over there. So yeah, go do that if you like shopping, if you like my style, and go shop on the things that I literally picked out for you guys.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been.
This, I've always wanted this space. Like, look at it, look at it, look at it.
Count to 10, then
smell the pumpkin and sweet vanilla one. Stop. Jewelry.
It's been right in front of me this whole time. Can't believe I
Oh, this is cute.
Drinks.
Oh.
Fill them up with water. They're ice cubes
Oh.
for punch.